Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another cooking video. I will be showing you guys how I make my southern style black eyed peas with turkey tails. This recipe is perfect for the holidays, and you know Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's is right around the corner. So make sure you follow this recipe. You will need a bag of black eyed peas. You need to soak them for at least 2 hours and remove the peas that float to the top. And I have some turkey tails, but you can use pork neck bones or whatever you choose, but I don't eat pork, so I will be using turkey tails. Here I am adding oil to my pan, my medium-sized saucepan. Once that warms up, I will be adding some chopped onions. Guys, this recipe is perfect for the holidays, and you know the holidays is right around the corner, especially, you know, for New Year's. You're supposed to bring in your New Year's with some black eyed peas. Use this recipe and I promise you your family's going to love you forever. This recipe came out so good. I even shocked myself with this recipe. I couldn't stop eating the black eyed peas. I didn't even want the rest of the stuff that I had made because the black eyed peas came out that good. So once my onions are sauteed, I am going to add my turkey tails with 2 cups of chicken stock. Now, you can use regular chicken stock that you buy in the store, but I use Maggie pollo powder, and I just add it to 2 cups of water and to cook my turkey tails. I am going to cook my turkey tails for about a good 30-40 minutes until they're nice and tender. Alright, so my turkey tails is nice and tender. They cooked for 40 minutes. Now I'm going to add my black eyed peas and my seasonings. The seasonings that I'm using, I don't have the exact amount that I put in because I eyeballed everything, but I would say start off with a ½ teaspoon of each thing because you can always add more at the end. You don't want to go in with a big amount and then your black eyed peas come out real salty and then you just destroyed the whole dish. So I use garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, black pepper, and Creole seasoning. And I didn't need no other seasoning. All these seasonings sealed the deal, okay? So you're going to add all of that, mix it up, let that cook for about a good hour on low heat. And honey, when this is done cooking, you are going to be like, damn, where have this recipe been? This came out so good. Listen, thank me later. With the black eyed peas, I also made some jasmine rice, cornbread, well, corn muffins, collard greens with turkey tails as well. And I made some turkey wings in a crock pot. That video will be coming real soon, so stay tuned for that. Let me tell you something. We ate good this Sunday. We ate very good. If my mother was alive and she tastes this food, she'll be like, my mother would be like, you know what? You did very good. Because, you know, my mother knew how to cook good, okay? But, yes, this dish came out so good. And you guys are going to enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And I hope your family enjoy it too. Let me know in the comment section what other recipes you would like to see. And I will do my best to make them. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. See you guys later.